Sustainability means creating long-term value while preserving the environment and acting for the communities. Generali is committed to sustainability. It's built into our purpose. Enable people to shape a safer future by caring for their lives and dreams. It lies at the heart of our ambition to be a lifetime partner to our customers, helping us care for their needs and support them over the course of their entire lives. We're leveraging our financial strength to make a real tangible difference for all stakeholders. We're increasing our offering of green and social products. For example, preventive medicines, assistance for people with disabilities, and coverage for green vehicles. We only invest in businesses reflecting our ESG criteria. We were the first insurance company in Europe to launch a green bond to finance green buildings, clean transportation, and more. When underwriting corporate clients, we assess them according to our responsible underwriting guideline. We launched the Human Safety Net to support vulnerable people, families, and refugees in the local communities where we operate, giving a new purpose to the iconic Procuratie Vecchie in Venice as its home to resonate and amplify our action. Inside Generali, we focus on empowering our people, creating a work environment that helps unleash their creativity and potential. Because running a sustainable company means supporting our clients, our people, our partners, and our communities beyond today and into tomorrow.